Guys, I got a treat for you. This beautiful home is up for sale. And come on, take a tour with me of this beautiful home. And I'm going to tell you, as we walk the tour, what the house has to offer. Come on. So, first off, picture yourself in this beautiful balcony or patio. Could you picture yourself sitting here in a rocking chair, relaxing over a drink and feeling that nice breeze coming in? This is what this home has to offer. This house is available and it's ready to go. They got some good interest rates right now, and everything you see in the house is included. Refrigerator, washer and dryer, range, everything's included in this house. Wait till you see the backyard. I'm excited to show it to you. Come on in. So first we have the entry. Now, it's an open entry, and now for you feng shui guys, am I saying it right? Feng shui is you shouldn't have a staircase that's facing the door. It's bad juju, or I guess I don't know what it is. But this house has no problem with that because the staircase faces either east or west. So not a bad moment for those that believe in the feng shui. So. And you walk in, as you walk in, you have your laundry to the side, to the left. As you walk in, and by the way, they're included in the price of this house. So you get the washer and dryer. Now this alone, if you were to buy it, would be about maybe $1,500. That's a great deal. Now when you walk in, it's open. It's an open concept to the main living room area. Here you have your dining room area, or it could be an office, or it could be a media room. Whatever you desire, this house, it could be it. Maybe somebody wants a dining room, where you can fit a nice size dining room table in here. So when you walk in, this is another room that could be a breakfast area, or it could be a dining area. So it doesn't really matter. I mean, you might just make that into a study, but the house, all the space is put to good use, and that's not something you find a lot. Now, if you see how airy it is, you have those double windows, and then you have the skylights all the way on top, and it's beautiful. Now you have this beautiful granite countertop. By the way, there's nothing extra here that is not included. Everything is included in the price of this home. Now you have, this is a gourmet kitchen. You have your refrigerator, it's stainless steel, and it's a GE. And this particular house comes with it all. It comes with it. This house is move-in ready. Move-in ready. And when I say move-in ready, it might take 30 days to close. But look how much counter space you have. I mean, there's a lot of potential possibilities you can do with this home. You can put lighting in here. You can actually put spotlights. You can actually put the pendant lights that drop down here. The way you want to customize this home, it's better. You have the main living room area. Oh, by the way, look at this floor. This floor is not vinyl. It's concrete, or it's that tile that looks like wood. You don't have to worry about it getting scratched. It's easy to clean. A beautiful center rug will go great in this room. But look at this. I just saw this. This could be your breakfast nook here. Put a couple of bar stools, and now you have your breakfast area here. So check it out. This house also has a fireplace. Now, if you were to drive like this, and you want it to include all this would be extra. I mean, solid. This is a solid fireplace, and it's a gas fireplace, an electric gas fireplace, and I love the stone that it has. I love the way it looks. It looks very elegant, and it also looks ultra modern. Beautiful home. I'm so excited to show you the backyard, but I'm not gonna do that yet. I'm gonna show you the rest of the house. Come over. Now you have the tray ceilings here, which is beautiful, because it gives the room a bigger appearance. A lot of secondary rooms in the first floor don't have the tray ceiling, because what happens is this is a two-story house. So the secondary, the top is actually low because they have to make room for the top floor. Now this home has it all. Look how big this beautiful master bedroom is. You've got 3 windows, open and airy. Right now, it's around 5 in the afternoon, and look how beautiful and light it is. Cost efficiency as well, because CastleRock Community Homes, they make a very tight house, meaning that you don't have to worry about AC leaking, or you don't have to worry about, in the wintertime, the heating escaping. And then, you know, when you have those beautiful amenities in here, guess what's gonna happen? The house is built for it to stay, the cold to stay in and the heat to stay in those summer months and those winter months. Now check this out. You see, I was impressed with this because when I walked in here, I thought there was only one sink in here. One vanity, one sink. I mean, of course, this is for the ladies here, because you ladies have a lot of stuff on top of the counter, right? And of course, us guys, and by the way, this is your linen closet. This is ours. So there's 2 separate ones. I was excited because I'm like, oh, only one sink, but then I looked over here and there's another sink. And then you have the beautiful tub, the shower. No tub needed here, because who needs a tub? Nobody needs a tub here. You got that window that also gives some natural light inside the bathroom. And the fact that it's already tiled up and ready to go. Now there's a lot of possibilities with this home. You can actually re-improve the house if you wanted to. And then you have the master walk-in closet, which has a lot of room. There's a lot of room in here. You can actually put a centerpiece with drawers, or you can even do more shelves out here if you wanted that. But you have the room for it. And then of course you've got your separate commode, which who doesn't want a separate commode? Because I know I want a separate commode. Sometimes I'm in there for hours. So let's take a look upstairs. And I love the openness of the entry when you walk in. It's not did we come in here? I forgot to come in here. So this is a 3-bedroom house. So you saw the master, and now you have one of them. Now if this is just for 2 people, this could be a workout room, it could be a craft room, heck, it could even be a media room. Whatever you want to convert it to, this house has it. So that's one, and that's the garage in there, which this is the bath for this room and the bath for your guests. And you also have a tub there. But check out the garage, how big it is. And these houses have these garages, they're fully finished, meaning that they're all sheetrocked and they're ready to put your beautiful cars in here. Now this fits 2 good medium-sized or even full-size vehicles in here, and you probably got room for a motorcycle too. Let's continue the tour. Follow me. Now look at the detail, the work that they put into this home. wrought iron railings, customized rails up here. And now you have, this could be a beautiful game room. You have enough room in here, put a pool table. Or if you wanted to put a giant size 100-inch television, this wall will be it right here. And this one, this is the mother-in-law suite. Just kidding. So you have attic space in here. So this is your attic. So other places have a pull down, like, I don't want to go in here too deep in here, but this place is your attic right here. You don't have to have one of those doors that are in the ceiling that come down like that. No. You just walk in here. Easy to store your Christmas and all your other items that you want to store. And you have another bedroom. So you have this other bedroom that comes out here. It's on the second floor, and it's a good sized bedroom. It's not a small bedroom. Check this out. You got storage. Oh, and then I failed to mention that the blinds come with the home. So this house is ready. It's ready to move in, actually. For you people that are in other states that it takes 60, 70, 80 days, 2 months, 3 months to close, they have fast closing here, 30 days. And your bathroom. So you don't have to go downstairs if you need to use the bathroom. And look at the airiness of this home. Look at all the windows that it provides. Can you imagine on a nice, clear, sunny day? You won't even need to turn lights in here. This house is truly amazing. But I'm going to show you something that you're going to really like. And that's the backyard. This home comes with this backyard. And when I tell you that this house is priced at the right price, I'm telling you, you wouldn't be able to buy this house, let's say in New York City or in the suburbs of New York. This house will probably cost you $2 million. But we're not gonna sell you that house for $2 million here, because this house doesn't cost $2 million. Are you ready for the grand finale? This house is ready to have its owners. But when you come in here, look at your backyard. It's a beautiful backyard. You can actually put your own swimming pool back here. You can do a lot of things in this backyard. And look, behind you. You got no neighbors. The neighbor's pretty far. Very big backyard. This house is this yard. Let's take a grand tour of this backyard. I'll show you how big it is. Let's start from this angle. You like the garden? You can start a garden right there. Then you come this way. Got your covered patio. You can actually build a deck out here that comes out and extends it. You have the room for it. You want a secondary garden? You got it. It's right here. This house has it all. And for the price of this house, you're getting a good deal. Schertz has low taxes. Schertz has good schools. And best of all, you're close to everything. You're close to San Antonio, Austin, New Braunfels. There's a Buc-ee's down the road. There's a Schlitterbahn. This is amazing location, and you're in Hempstead, a community, it's a master plan community in Schertz. Easily accessible to I-35, easily accessible to the local areas out here. There you have it. Amazingly, this house is priced in the low 400,000. Now, I'm going to put the actual price of the house on this channel. On the YouTube channel, and I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to put the price of this house, but don't be alarmed. You're getting a lot of money, bang for the buck for this house. Big yard, great neighborhood. Beautiful home. It's also built by CastleRock's guarantees, 10-year structural, and all the other deals that they offer. Not only that, you want to buy this house? Zero closing costs for you. All you would have to do is put a down payment, get qualified, and we'll have you in this house in 30 days. And by the way, like I said earlier, appliances are included, including the washer and dryer. So this house is ready to move in. Hey, you New Yorkers out there, would you love to move into this house? I know I would. You know, I'm a former New Yorker myself, and I could never buy a house like this in New York. But here in Texas, in Schertz, you can really afford this house. Well guys, thanks again for following me on this tour. Look at my channel, look at my videos. I have posted a lot of videos on different homes. This house caught my eye because it's a huge house, and I'm gonna put the details of the square footage, the cost of the house. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, and 2-car garage. It's a great home for the price. And right now, hurry, because this house is not gonna last long. Thank you so much for coming on this tour with me. Like and subscribe for more.